In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this type of AI videos using Seedance 2.5. And this is the result of this tutorial. So to create that video, first we need to go to NovoAds AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. This is a platform where you can try it for just $1. So once you have created the account, you will arrive here. And here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and in model, we need to use the Seedance 2.5 model. Now in the duration, I'm going to use 10 seconds. And here, where it says write your prompt, I'm going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, but the important part is this one, where I describe the style of the video. The top part describes what will happen in the scene. And this, you can change it if you want. So now we have to click here, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it. Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the video. The quality is really good, and the animation have a really good quality. So well, after saying that, if you like it, remember that you can try this platform for just $1. So I recommend you to try it, and see you in the next video.